Here on a mission.
Yeah, to ride the 456.
Rider 456.
Yeah.
And here is it.
Do you have it?
This one.
456.
Just tell a little bit about this train. Why
So?
we are here?
This is Charing Cross, London, and we're here to ride the class 456. And I like this train because it's from the same family of trains as the 3E65, which is one of my favorite trains in Britain. So this is the closest I can get to it. So yeah, I'm very happy to ride it. So this train is soon going to be replaced by more modern stock or classes of trains, like I have the 707 or the 700. I don't know which one exactly. 465.
Ah, 465.
Yeah.
We are on the train. We are on London Bridge.
Oh, we were using third rail.
Using third rail.
Yes. So it's a very nice view. Yeah, first time I've got. Nice.
This train is going to be departing. Another air train.
Yes, 455. Okay. That was easier than I thought.
So please tell a little bit where we are and why we're here.
So, we are right now at Waterloo Station, and we are right now riding the class 455. This station is, this train is getting replaced very quickly. So, since we're in London, it'll be the chance to ride this train. So, yeah, that's basically it. There are other videos about this train, but generally for me, it's a very nice train, and as it's very old and it still runs on the mainland.
Which we successfully done.
Yeah. So right now I'm standing in between two different train classes, probably a 508 and a 455. It's nice. Oh yeah, and I want to say something. So the trains in front of you are the trains that are replacing the 455s. 701s. Most normal place ever.